everybody thought that they said of the world at the end, but they don't. Isn't that crazy? That's a Mandela effect.
Right there, come on. Get it. Hey, I got one!
Pick a song, any song.
All of them.
Queen, something with Queen.
Something with Queen, I got something better.
What's better than Queen?
I don't know.
25.
Bro, this is the music that you gotta play when you got room to dance to, bro.
You got the whole back seat.
This is Marina.
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
She said,
Oh, see, so polite.
I'll never find love.
I love you endlessly. As far as the sun and stars, I will love you. Do you love me? Are you playing your love games with me? I gotta sneeze. I don't even have to ask. Your parents sneeze like fucking maniacs, right? They're like, ah! I'll just be like, what is the age drop off where you just decide I'm gonna go from this to just ah? Like what is the drop off? It's a cry for fucking hell.
Yeah.
I wanna die. We're making history.
Okay.
Oh, you're just trying to get a feature. She hit her. She was like, hold on, let me get my good side. And just as I'm
Thank you.
You're gonna sneeze.
Bless you. The rapid fire
What is
is
the stage gonna be like though? Is it?
Oh, that was
So you're not old enough to sneeze.
I told you.
drink. You can't smell it. You drink. All right. Cheers.
Everyone is sick.
Sick is sick. I'm trying to get sick. Everybody's sick.
What's up, baby?
He's like, I'm ready to do toilet paper.
Oh my god! This is a thing in this day and age. I'm like,
Did you get that?
it's going crazy.
Why?
What are you doing? Wait, did you see the video?
Make it.
Please tell me.
Yes.
Thank you.
I appreciate you.
You didn't do it on purpose. Like the bean.
I got toothpaste.
Banana smoothie, strawberry banana smoothie, or dead fish? Toothpaste. Bite it off. You gotta keep going. What'd you do?
Ew, dead fish. You got dead fish. Actually, I don't know.
Flick it.
Oh my gosh. I've had about enough. You hit it with your peach or barf again. Delicious.
Barf or dead fish? Go ahead. I mean, I can smell it.
How was it? Buttered popcorn, rotten egg. They're both bad.
They say yes, but they're not.
I swear to God.
Hey!
Here. I just realized the only cars I've ever driven in my life. No! Fuck you! Horny. I don't know. You didn't even make. What is that? What you putting in? Go! Why is he 40 years old? Let's go!
Drum ball, please.
He is the Oscar.
Are you actually gonna drink it? Cranberry. Oh shit, you're drinking that shit.
Wait.
Ostentação, palavra que eu gosto de ouvir.